Ahoy there, mateys! Welcome to North Dock. Why, everyone who comes down here to Port Royal comes down to the dock at one time or the other, come to see what ships are coming and going. This here will be Captain Flint. He's aboard the Cutwater. Have you heard of Captain Flint and his adventures?
Aye.
Well, you have heard of Treasure Island and Long John Silver, haven't you? This be Captain Flint's parrot. He knows where Treasure Island is. I was down at the dock the other day when the Cutwater came in. Captain Flint was at the wheel. The odd thing, he's the only one on deck. As we helped him with his dock lines, Captain was talking below. We heard mumbling and grumbling coming from below decks. Captain called, "Mr. Gentry, is there a problem?"
Below decks, on the ship, is the brig. The brig is the ship's jail. Mr. Gentry, the ship's first mate, he was in the brig. And he called up the captain. "Captain, ahoy! Let me out of the brig!"
Captain said, "Nay, you and your mutinous dogs be trying to steal me treasure map."
"Not I, Captain. I'm an honest pirate. Honestly, I am. I was trying to save ye treasure map from those mutinous dogs. That is until they bonked me on the head with a belaying pin."
The mutiny occurred the morning before. The Cutwater was sailing into Porto Tortuga, a pirate stronghold. Captain was still asleep in his cabin. He was woken by the unmistakable sound to his ear of the longboat being launched over the side and bumping against the side of the Cutwater. Captain ran up on deck, and there he saw the mutinous rogues were trying to get his treasure map. First thing he found was Gregory Goldtooth. Gregory was known for his bad breath and for never brushing or flossing his teeth until they started to rot away. Gregory found he had to use his collection of gold candy wrappers in order to make a false tooth. Gregory closed in. "Come on, Captain, get that pirate. Throw that pirate overboard, Captain. Throw him overboard. Huzzah!" The next pirate he saw was Bad Patch. Bad Patch wasn't really blind in one eye. He just used the patch to try and scare people. Bad Patch went after Captain. "Come on, Captain, get that pirate. Get that pirate and throw him overboard. Throw him overboard, Captain. Throw him overboard. Get him. Huzzah! Get him overboard there. Huzzah!" He beat him up, too. Then Captain came to the ringleader of the group, Admiral Jack Daniels Nelson. Jack Daniels Nelson wasn't really an admiral. He just found the uniform in a chest of pirated goods, so he put it on in order to try and impress the people and in order to impress the girls ashore. Admiral Nelson went after his treasure chest. He's after his treasure chest. Go get him and throw him overboard there, Captain. Throw him overboard, Captain. Huzzah! The crew fell into the water and they swam to the longboat. They tried to make their getaway. But Captain said, "Nay, I'll not have that. I'll be getting you." So Captain called to his crew on deck. He said, "Quick, load the guns, run out the guns, fire." Captain looked to port. Captain looked to starboard. Saw he had no crew, so he loaded the gun and ran it out himself. "Prepare to fire, Captain there, Captain." The gun went off with a thunderous roar. The shot went wild, flying over the rowboat, over the townspeople below, and crashing into the town beyond. Captain called across the water, "Oops, sorry, my mistake. Quick, load again, and fire!" Again, the gun went off with a thunderous roar. The shot splashed in front of the rowboat, knocking the crew into the water. Captain then went to check on his treasure chest. So he grabbed his chest. He opened his chest and spilled its meager contents to the deck. He counted as he put his gold coin back in. Uno, dos, tres. Captain next went to make sure the treasure chest was still in good shape. He climbed to the highest yard arm.
Oh, cool.
And if he's not too tired, he will pull up that treasure chest. Come on, Captain. Let's cheer on Captain by singing the sea shanty for him. It goes like this. Haul up to the main yard haul. 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 With the chest hanging from the highest yard arm, Captain went to work on its not one but two mystical combinations. He had to turn each key left and right, just to the right position, in order to get the chest open. It required the keenest of minds. 2 left. He's got the first lock open. Now he's working on the second lock. The chest open, huzzah! Inside he found it filled with the sparkling coins and his favorite almond pearl. From the highest yardarm, Captain looked down and saw that Mr. Gentry was unconscious below deck with a treasure map clutched in his claws. So he threw him into the brig.
From the toss into the brig, Mr. Gentry came to. Ahoy, Captain, what's going on there?
As if you didn't know, you and your mutinous dog be trying to steal me treasure map. But I be needing a crew in order to sail to Treasure Island. Scallywags ashore had come close. They saw the chest filled with gold. So the captain called across the water to them, "Look here, who among you wants to join our venture and sail to Treasure Island? We have a piece of treasure map here that we'll give you for all those who join us. Those who want to join us, give us a strong pirate arg! Arg! Oh, we be talking about gold and jewels here. Give us a strong pirate arg! Arg! And that's the tale of Captain Flint and the mutiny on the Cutwater. Now step forward and receive your treasure map there.
Okay.